Hi, it's Liz. Today we're going to do a fire truck engine, but we're going to do it on felt. We're going to embroider it on felt. So unlike the canvas one where I used a white piece of canvas, I'm going to use a red piece of felt, and then I'm going to probably do the white embroidery on top of the red piece. So I'm going to use the 140 millimeter hoop. It's 140 millimeters by 140 millimeters. I'm going to be using my Janome Memorycraft 500E machine. So I got the embroidery back from the shop and they said you really need to use Janome embroidery needles because they're really specific to the machine. So what was happening on my machine, it was bunching up at the bottom and I wasn't able to see anything visible that I was like, I can't do anything else. So I took it into the shop and needed its yearly maintenance anyhow. So they were just saying there was some nicks at the bottom from other needles, and on the plate they were able to file it down so it's now all smooth, so it shouldn't be catching anymore. So that was the problem. That was the reason why the bobbin was all bunching when I was embroidering. So that was a big huge sigh of relief. I didn't have to pay extra or add any other part to it. It was just something very, very simple, which I won't make that mistake again. Now I have run the embroidery machine since it has been back, and it has been a lot smoother. So I am using a tearaway stabilizer for this. I'm also using some 505 adhesive spray. So I am also using the purple tipped Janome embroidery needle because I'm using the 505 adhesive spray, that it works better, apparently, says the sewing machine shop. So I'm going to tack it down and then I will start the process. So just one piece of felt on the top. So the file I'm using is an applique file. So normally it would be on, like, say, a shirt, and then you would put another piece of fabric to tack it down. So there is some tack down stitches on this. It's not a big deal. I could also, if I wanted to be a bit more precise with my felt, is do the tack down stitches on the stabilizer, then put my felt on there, but being conscious of the thickness of my border and any other. For this file, I do remember that there was a little light at the very top that wasn't included in the tack down stitches. So it's always great just to do a first run just to see how it goes and what are the steps. That's something you want to be conscious of, because I think this one up here isn't on any fabric. It's just literally on the stabilizer and the thread. So this one I made into a patch. The felty one, I am adding extra fabric around here so it can become an outline. So as you can see, that's the first step, is a tack down one, which I did just right on the felt. I'm just gonna put up the presser foot, put it back down, and it's just gonna go over it again. All right, so it has completed it. I just found another two of the ones that I did. So I just found two of the white canvas fire trucks that I did as a test one. You can really see this is kind of a bluish color. It's coming off black right now, but it is definitely a dark blue color, and then you see a light blue color. So as you can see, I lost detail when I did this as black, and this one was more of a gray, and then I did black and black. So just really adding different color combinations does really change the appearance of it. Okay, so the next color is the yellow, so for the lights. So I'm going to be using the Lazy Sun Yellow. So the yellow is all now complete. Now it is on to the windshield, which I'm going to be using the blue thread. I'm going to use this one, which it's called Cloud. So the fire truck windshields are complete. Now I'm going to do some of the detailing, and that's going to be in this brownie color. I think it was called Sandcastle. So that brown detailing is done. We're actually going to make sure the thread is cut and take it off the hoop. So you can see that detailing. What I'm going to do now, it is time for the border, the black border that goes around it. So now I'm going to take another piece of red felt and put it on the back. And then I'm making sure my bobbin is black because that's the color of my border. I don't want it to be two different colors. It is now complete. Take it off the hoop. And it looks so good. So I will clean it up, cut around the edges, and then we'll have a look. Well, it looks very nice. I love the colors. This is a really nice, this is white, and then we got the sand, what was it, sandcastle color. And I think that's more complimentary than if I did it like the black up here or the red or anything. And I think the colors just go really nicely together. So because I added the felt at the back, it just makes it really nice, really crisp and standing out. So I think that is a success. I'm very happy with it. Very sturdy and durable. And it does still have a bit of the tearaway stabilizer in the middle, but that isn't a big deal. But I am very happy it turned out. Now to make more of them. It did say on the computer it took me 26 minutes, so that's machine time minutes to make it. And very happy with the outcome. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!